Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use Tabby when shopping on Noon.com in the UAE. It's one of the most popular Tabby partners. First, visit Noon.com or open the Noon app and shop as you normally would. Add your desired items to the cart. Next, proceed to checkout and fill in your shipping details. When you reach the payment method step, look for the Tabby option. Then, select Tabby as your payment method. You'll see the installment plan options clearly displayed, usually pay in 4 interest-free payments. After that, you'll be redirected to the Tabby login page. Enter your Tabby credentials or use OTP verification to log in. Review your order summary and confirm the purchase. Tabby will split the total amount into 4 equal payments. The first payment is processed immediately, and your order is confirmed. You'll receive order tracking from Noon as usual, with the convenience of paying over time. If this Noon shopping guide was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.